Good morning, everybody. This is your boy, the Dashboard. First time you're going to see me on camera. So, this is a special occasion, I think. Or maybe I'm just doing something different. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Anyway, we are headed down to Callahan this morning, where they are having their annual Railroad Days Festival and Car Show. We're going to be out with the Callahan Cruisers today. They're going to be doing a car show accompaniment with the Railroad Days Festival. Should be a lot of awesome cars there. We park at this little paint body shop, and there's usually, I don't know, 40, 50 cars they try to stack in this little lot. So I got to get there early so I can get a good spot and not get trapped in, because they stack them in there every which way, and when they start stacking them in there, you can't get out if you're in the back. So I gotta try to get there and get on the front line so I can get out of there, so I can go to the other show of the day. The other show of the day is the Amelia Cruisers doing their monthly cruise in Fernandina, Amelia Island. So gonna try to make that one too. I'll do a little bit of another update between now and then. So, yeah, it should be a good day. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, nice sunshiny, no rain. Gonna be a little on the hot side though, about 90-something degrees. Don't enjoy that. So, but anyway, we're going to car showing. So, let's see how it turns out. Alright, take two. We are at the car show. Car show is in full swing. Not sure how this is going to look because the camera won't flip on this thing. So anyway, here's an idea of what's out here.
Thank you for coming down here and help.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you've registered your vehicles. Please register your vehicles. Don't think so. Ladies and gentlemen, please register your vehicles. If you haven't registered yet, please. Hey, man. Kevin Henderson, I need you to pull up, please.
Hey, no. Still got to get Black Chevelle in there.
Never mind. All right, well, I need him to the right here then.
I got to put him right here.
Right here. Brad, you know what you're doing. I'm going to just leave you alone. All right, if you haven't registered your vehicle yet, please register your vehicle. It's at the Callahan Cruiser Trailer over there by the flagpole. Up across the bridge, across from the historic railroad building. Please register your vehicle if you have not registered yet. Right now we're at 6 degrees. You'd like to know the time, so if you don't have a bar here, we'll take some dollars.
We had 90 last year. We're 60. Really? Yeah, 60 right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, please have a registration form on your vehicle.
Got you a little shade.
We still got room for about 100 more cars.
We're going to start marking a couple lanes. Double decker. Yep.
Alright guys, so we just left the Railroad Days car show in Callahan. Left a little early because I got another car show to go to, like I said earlier. It sure is hot. It's hot today. I think it's somewhere in the 90s. But I honestly couldn't tell you. Anyway, so I'm headed over to across the county to Fernandina to go to another show. It's just a cruise in, so it's not actually an organized car show. So it'll be a quick visit, just because, well, I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm ready to go home. But it was on the books to be done today, so I try to go, just to get content, just feed the beast, feed YouTube, feed the algorithm. So I'll go and I'll take some more video, cut this into one video, and we'll see where it ends. See if this is a good video or not. And peace out. I'll catch you on the next one.
And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have two beautiful young ladies do a little bit of a gospel song for us. So, if you'd all direct your attention over here by this little black Ford. And here's the two ladies. What are your names? Say a little song for us. I'm going to hand you the microphone.
Alright guys, so we have just finished up our second car show of the day. It was a small one. Just the Amelia Cruisers getting together at a little diner here in Fernandina. Just you know, 22 cars, something like that. Anyway, it's a nice little show. It's a lot better than the one in Callahan because it's starting to cool off the day. And we had a good breeze, so there was a lot of air moving, so it was cooling down. So, yeah, it was a good car show. Don't really have anything bad to say about it. Well, that concludes my Saturday. So, I'll be back at it again tomorrow. Not sure what car shows I'm hitting tomorrow, because I got a choice of two. I can either come back over to Yulee Cars and Coffee or go up to Waycross and catch a show at the Swamp Road Baptist Church. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, right now I'm thinking I'm going to hit the Yulee Cars and Coffee because I also have a hockey game tomorrow afternoon. The Jacksonville Icemen are playing in the Kelly Cup playoffs, first round, second game. And as a season ticket holder, of course, I got tickets. So, yeah, that's pretty much going to do my weekend, and then I'll spend all week editing together videos from the 2 days. So, yeah, fueled the YouTube machine. So yeah, I'll have at least 4 videos from Callahan Cruisers and the railroad days, and then I'll have 3 or 4, I'm not sure, from the Amelia Cruisers, and then I'll have 3 or 4 from whatever I do tomorrow. So yeah, productive weekend. I hope you enjoy these videos. You know, you guys got to let me know. You got to get in there and drop me some comments, likes, shares. You know, let people see what I'm doing, see if they enjoy it. Because, you know, I'm kind of flying blind here. I'm just out there taking video and uploading it on the internet so people can see what's at these car shows. And some of my videos, you know, I'm just trying to do the whole, this is your experience through my lens at a car show. Okay? I go out and get hot and sweaty and wore out and tired, so you don't have to. So this is, you know, this kind of goes back to the 2020 thing, we'll call it, and people being cooped up and not being able to go and do things. So this is the virtual way to do things that I have found to bring it to you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm trying to do other videos like this to broaden the channel reach, because like I said, I don't know. I have no clue what people like and don't like on my channel, because nobody really likes or comments. I get a few comments here and there about it's nice that I let the cars speak for themselves and let you hear what the cars sound like when they roll in on the pole cameras and whatnot. And that's great, but that don't make a channel. So I'm just trying to you know, do the best I can to, you know, build my channel. I'm sitting at 115 subscribers, so I must be doing something sort of right, because I've been at it for about a year, and that's what my subscriber count is. So, I mean, some people like it. I wish more people did, because once I get to 500 subscribers, I get a little money from the ad revenue from YouTube, which is, you know, the whole goal here is to make a little side money and be able to pay to go further out to other car shows. Because right now I'm just kind of, you know, tooling around North Florida because, well, I can afford to. I live here. You know, can't afford to take a trip down to, like Miami or Orlando or wherever where the big car shows are. But I can stay up here and show you what's here, because there's a lot of car shows here that aren't really well attended, or people don't know about or don't hear about. Or, like most times, there was something else at the same time. That's the big one. Because there was, I want to say 2 or 3 other car shows going on at the same time as Railroad Days today, and I opted for Railroad Days because I'm a member of the Callahan Cruisers. But there were 2 or 3 probably bigger shows in Jacksonville that I could have went to. I just, loyal to my club. Although I may not actually show in that car show next year. I may just show up, say, hey, how you guys doing? Take some video, take some pictures, and leave. Because the lot that they try to do that car show on is too small. Last year they said they had 90 cars. I don't know how many cars they had today, but it was up there. I mean, my car number was 51. So there were 50 cars ahead of me, and then there were, I don't know how many after me, because there were 15 or 20 that came in after I got my number. So go figure. But anyway, that's the daily wrap up. I hope you guys enjoy this. I mean, this is something new. I'm going to try out, see, how it works out. If you guys like it, make sure to like it. Make sure to say you like it on the comments. And I'll keep doing it. I'm going to keep doing it anyway, but I just want to try to do some different things to try to get some more viewers. So, peace out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video. Even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.